hakuna vanhu muriko here uko aiwa nasanobvunza kuti anoizi zvenyu tikupemberera madzimai. We're celebrating women. My name is tarironegitare, and I'd like to welcome you all to the Metbank celebrations of International Women's Day. This one is especially for all the ladies in the house. I see your strength, your highness, wow. Your joy, your pain, and your kindness. Even though you are hurting, oh, just let it show. Keep your focus on the goal. Oh, let it show. Rise up and sing. Stand up, oh queen. Rise up and sing. Stand up, oh queen.
When you are in the boardroom, the only way for you to speak with confidence and with boldness, those who are in leadership, they identify with what I'm talking about. If you have your education, if you have your experience, when you open your mouth and speak with confidence. It's very lonely up there. I've been in meetings as managing director where there are 20 men and I'm the only woman. But what gives me confidence is knowing that I have my qualifications and I have my experience. In one of the banks that I worked for,
Thank you so very much.